Alright folks, welcome back to another unboxing and quick impression video with me, Yaken, for Trend Ground. So today's device is the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. Yay! Along with this, Minions Bob eco-friendly cover as well. Okay, some quick side note. Right now for the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE, okay, Samsung Malaysia is actually doing a Galaxy Troop campaign, whereby if you purchase this Samsung Galaxy Buds for 399 ringgit Malaysia with two color variants, black and white, from the 10th to the 31st October 2023, you can get this Minion Bulb EcoFriends cover worth 169 ringgit Malaysia for free. So make sure go and quickly go and get it as soon as possible after you watch this video. Alright, so let's come back to these both devices first, and we are going to unbox this guy here first, the Galaxy Buds FE. Okay, so let's check out the packaging itself. So basically it says it has a triple mics for clear call, okay, and active noise cancellation, cool, comfortable fit, and then it has 6 to 21 hours of playtime. Alright, so as you can see, it's still sealed. It's time to unseal it. Come on, let's unseal it. Let's unseal it. Nice. Bam. Okay, so before we are going to check out the device itself, let's see what is this. I think this is mostly the paperwork. Okay, so this box here is the paperwork. I don't think a lot of you guys would want to be aware of the manual guides or so on, but if you do need it, okay, it's inside the box itself, okay, situated on the top box itself. Now let's come back to the wireless earbuds themselves. Okay, yeah. Alright, so basically here you go at the bottom. Ooh, you get the charging cables over here with the extra ear tip sizes for you to go and change according to your ear canal. And we have here is the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. Alright, okay, so just now it survives the 4. Good to test it out before I'm trying it out, and yeah, not bad. Kind of look like the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Alright, yeah, same size, but this has a glossy finish onto it, and voila, here is the black color variant over here. So yeah, basically I kind of like it with the new Galaxy Buds FE. There's a mixture of matte and glossy as well. So the touch area here, you can see, is quite glossy, okay, and then there's a like kind of a wing tip here at the edge here. That's nice. And the earbuds tip itself, yeah, pretty nice, pretty comfy, very good. And yeah, overall I think not bad for its pricing if you really need a ANC wireless earbuds right now, and you have been using the Samsung smartphone. I think it's a good ecosystem to continuing on with this guy here, and definitely we're gonna check out how does it perform. So do stay tuned for the full review of this Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. Okay, so at the back here it's using the Type-C charging port. Alright, so we have done with this Galaxy Buds FE unboxing. Now let's head over to this Minions Bulb EcoFriends cover for Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, but you actually can use it on the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. Yes. Okay. So are you guys ready for this? Woo! Let's go. Let's unbox it. Oh, there's quite a number of sticker seals, so I need my trusty blade here to cut it off. Let me cut it off. Alright, done. So we have unsealed it. Let's unbox, open it up, and bam. Whoa, 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 this is nice. Look at that. Make it like a hamburger sandwich right now. Alright, just a joke. Okay, so this is how the case looks like. Can you see it? Can you see it? I hope you can see it. Alright. Wow, nice. Wow, 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 wow. So they basically tape the side of the case itself. Alright, so there you go. Very nice. Very cool. Very, very cool. Very nice. So look at that. Look at that. Not bad, not bad. I kind of like it. Wait. Let me bring back the Galaxy Buds 2 FE over here and let's get it protected. Alright, shall we? So, attachment I think is pretty much straightforward. Just hook onto it. And the other one, you just, the back side, just cover it. And there you go. What do you think? I think it's a phenomenal item. And if you love Minions, you definitely want to get this. This is really cool, really awesome. I kind of like it. The more I'm actually touching right now, I'm even more amazed with it. It does look really amazing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So even there's a LED notification hole for you to check out how is your battery status. I think this is really executed perfectly over here. And bear in mind, there's actually two holes here for you to like put a holder, and then you can you know, just attach onto your belt area on your pants there or your bag. Yeah, easy, very convenient. I kind of like it. Yep. So we shall go and get the Galaxy Buds FE right now until the 31st October to get this for free. I think it's really worth it. If you're looking for a wireless earbuds, you're really getting an awesome stuff over here. And yeah, basically that's the unboxing and quick impression on this Samsung Galaxy Buds FE along with the Minions Bob EcoFriends cover. Hopefully you guys love this video. Got to wrap things up, and please do stay tuned for the full review of this Galaxy Buds FE on the YouTube channel and also the social media platform. Okay, so if you are still new to the YouTube channel, I highly recommend you guys please go ahead, go and subscribe it. It does really help the channel to grow and get more items for you to go and explore together what you are actually getting in case you want to purchase one today. Yeah, so I think that is good for you guys to learn as well. And also make sure to go and follow us on the social media as well. And last but not least, head to the website, read all the news about the happenings in Malaysia and internationally. And right now I need to bid you guys farewell one more time. Yaken here from Trend Ground. Hopefully you guys love this content, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, peace out.